You've heard of a multiverse, but what happens when the universes inside it stop staying separate?
Chaos.
Noise evolved.
The signal has returned.
That question sits at the heart of the fractured signal continuum. The FSC isn't built around the idea that there are simply infinite versions of everything. It's built around something stranger. Reality has a signal. Every person has one. Every world has one. Every history, memory, possibility, even some ideas can carry a pattern identifying what it is. Most of the time, those patterns remain where they belong until something fractures. Then boundaries begin to fail. A memory might belong to someone who never lived it. A place might exist in two histories at once. Two realities might remember completely different versions of the same event. Something imaginary might suddenly become very, very real. And sometimes something on the other side notices. That is where the FSC begins getting interesting. A fracture isn't automatically evil. Neither is change. Sometimes realities collide because something went wrong. Sometimes they collide because something new was trying to exist. And that creates one of the questions running beneath the entire continuum. If you had the power to fix reality, who gets to decide what the correct version is? And over the next few days, I'm going to introduce some of the world's living on opposite sides of these fractures. An impossible ocean, a frontier where folklore has teeth, paradise built from imagination, experiments that should never work, and people discovering that surviving the impossible might be easier than deciding what to do with it after. You don't need a board encyclopedia. You're arriving at exactly where you're supposed to be.
So, what exactly is the Fractured Signal Continuum, or FSC?
It's a universe where reality is chaotic and fragmented. It defies strict timelines and may merge or intersect various realities.
Occasionally, a memory may exist in an alternate context, or a person may experience a choice they never made.
FSC isn't focused on alternate universes merely for the sake of those universes. Rather, the intrigue lies in exploring human identity amid such complexity.
And, well, your memories may change, and if someone's past is erased, its effects could be catastrophic. Moreover, a system that knows every flaw may either choose to protect or eliminate you. Different FSC stories tackle these questions from distinct viewpoints, ranging from cosmic science fiction to a pirate adventure or even supernatural western.
You'll be captivated by the intriguing patterns found in the FSC, as they're not merely collages of random universes, but part of a larger narrative. The deeper you dive, the more you'll recognize that the FSC's
core question is about human connection and connections to those surroundings.